Shubhendu Sharma is asking that not more than 25% of equity funds have beaten the index funds returns in the last over the past 5 years. So the chances of anyone being able to zero in a fund which generates better return than index is 1 in 5. So why invest anywhere else? People invest simply because the lure of beating the benchmark. When you invest in an index fund, you have chosen to be an average, and everybody wants to really not be an average, be above average, and that is why you choose active fund management. That's one. The other is that, looking at this point, it looks disappointing that many of course, large cap funds have the headwind. They are not beating the benchmark simply because, they have the disadvantage of 1.5%. Even if all the large cap funds did generate 1%, 1.5% more, they will be able to match the index performance simply because, that is their expense. Post expense, they will be able to match if they generate 1.5% more. So they have to do substantially more, and the universe of investing in a large cap fund is very narrow. What value can they add? So that is why we see the struggle. But I think, at different point of time, multi-caps will look different. Also, I feel that index investing in India is not a very evolved part of the market. You have this Nifty, which is fine, which is replicable. We have enough depth. Going to junior Nifty, it gets very difficult. And going to small, we don't have a small cap index which you can invest in. You don't have a mid cap index that you can invest in. These indexes are starting. They will start, they will learn, and they will try to figure out, then it becomes a chicken and egg story. Till there are more funds which have money, we will not have liquidity. And if we don't have liquidity, those funds cannot be created because it's not very easy to replicate that index. So let's see how it evolves. These are early days for index funds in India. And I still feel that, active fund management still has, has hope and promise in India. And at this point, it might look not so rosy, but things change because the market has been very narrow over the last 2-3 years. Large caps, and that too a very small segment of the large cap, is doing well. Maybe little surge in mid cap and small cap, and you will see that, most funds, the SIP, 5-year SIP return will look very different. Most funds are beating them by a wide margin. And we see it every now and then. So don't go by, the view which you get right now, because today it looks grim. And I agree with you.